people, you're welcome to Nancy Ugbebo's TV. Today we'll be preparing tomato pepper soup with goat meat alongside with starch, popular Nigerian food from Edo State and the Delta State. And here in my pot I'll be adding the goat meat and I'll be adding some onions that have been chopped already. And here's my seasoning. I'm going to be adding this seasoning to it. And here is my ginger and garlic as well. All these are spices. Here's my salt. I'll be adding the salt and I'm going to add a little water just to steam the meat. And I'll stir this while I place it on the heat to cook for a few minutes. So we're going to be adding more water to allow the goat meat to cook properly. And while it's cooking, then we'll have to go back to our tomato. Here are my tomato inside the blender. I'm going to be adding some bell pepper. Here is my crayfish. Here is my onion. Here is my habanero pepper. I'm going to add little water to this to allow it to blend properly to smooth. And I'm going to be blending this right away. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and loved ones. You are welcome to this channel. So we'll go back to our meat now, and we're going to be adding our blended tomatoes into the pot. And we're going to stir this. And we're going to allow it to cook for some minutes, for about 5 minutes. And here is my pepper soup spice. This is going to give it a very good flavor. Here is my seasoning. So I'm adding a lot of water to it because it's actually called pepper soup. It needs to be watering. You need to make it light. It's not stew. So cover this and allow it to cook very well. Wow, here is it bubbling with a lot of aroma around it. I'm going to be going over to the starch. So here is my starch in the pan already. So I'm going to be adding some water to it so I can dissolve this right inside the pan. Please, once again, if you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, share this video to your loved ones. I also want to appreciate our subscribers. Thanks for coming back. Now I'm checking the consistency. It's allowing me to know how thick or light it's going to become when it's done. So that's why you see me checking my head. So I'm going to be adding about 5 to 10 ml oil into the pan. I'm going to stir this so that it will not stick to the pan, the red. So I'm going to be stirring this on a medium heat consistently so you will not get some lumps. So keep stirring, don't give it a minute of rest so it will not stick to the bottom of your pan and it will not have lumps. So just keep stirring this and you see the consistency is becoming thicker and you see how red it is. The more oil you put, thicker red you have. If you put a lighter oil, you're going to have the lighter starch. So here is my starch, and look at how wonderful this delicious dish is. This is a wow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, always visit this channel for delicious meal. Thanks, bye bye.